Good day, M4754. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers. Thank you very much for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rosana Ulidan, 42 years old, married, blessed with two children, ages 11 and 13 years old, one boy and one girl. I am an undergraduate of Bachelor of Food and Technology, and I'm the eldest of the family. I have
Okay.
three siblings.
Okay. What is your religion, ma'am?
I am a Roman Catholic, sir.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Hong Kong. As a helper, what are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duties and responsibilities are I do household chores like cleaning the house, ironing, doing laundry, marketing, cooking, and assisting the elderly, sir.
Okay, and you have also experience here in the Philippines.
Yes, sir.
What are your main duties?
My main duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the children, ages 2 and 5 years old. I assist them and tutoring them to their schooling, also for their activities, and especially for their English subject.
Okay, and other household chores? What
Yes,
household
sir.
chores can you do?
I'll do household chores like cleaning the house also, vacuuming, ironing, wash dishes, and car washing.
Okay. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir, I'm willing to.
Okay. How will you prepare a food for a newborn baby or a milk for a newborn baby?
First, sir, I will wash my hand and then sterilize all the bottles needed, and then put the necessary measurement of hot water or warm water in the bottle, and then the powdered milk, and shake the bottle and feel if the bottle is ready to put in the baby.
To give to the baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper if full, or maybe the temperature of the baby, maybe he is sick, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work again in Hong Kong because of higher salary and for the better future of my children, sir.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I finish my contract, and as long as my employer need me, I stay for them, sir.
Okay. I'm sure that you know how to cook Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
I know how to steam fish with black bean and kung pao chicken, braised pork with cauliflower.
Okay. If the employer prepared a food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of the member of the family of your employer don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir. I really do.
Okay, it is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by
Yes.
your employer. It is okay to you to take care of elderly, help them go to bed, help them go to shower, help them go to the back, and also help them go to the hospital for checkups.
Yes, sir. I do.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, thank you for considering my application as a diagnostic helper, and I promise to do my very best because I am dedicated to my work, trustworthy, honest, and I also treat your children as my own. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, M4754, Miss Rosana A. Olidan.